We're missing a dog.
What?
We're missing a dog.
What do you mean?
Do you see Jackson anywhere?
Seriously? Where is she? Jaden?
I don't know.
Check.
Now that's fresh mountain-grown coffee from the hills of Colombia.
Hello.
All right. It's 8:23. Time to get up. Hey, Gilligan. Hey, Skippy. Hey, Sparky. Hey, homie. Yo, dog. Oh my God. What's with the hair? You're gonna scare the wildlife. Hey, it's time to get up. Life goes on. Bet if I cooked bacon right outside your window there, that'd get you up. All right, here we go. Here we go. He's up. He's up, everybody. What up, yo?
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Well, that's okay. Chris got me up at 6:30 a.m. going, where's Jackson? Where's Jackson? We're missing a dog. And she was curled up with Jaden.
Did you call her in, or did she just do that on her own?
Did you know she was there? No, can't go potty? Or, yeah, potty. 12 years old, potty. Really? Okay, well, I'm going to put these away because we found that they're really not...
They're good for a grill or
yeah,
a
that's
griddle,
what they're for, but
not a campfire
not
where
a
there's
campfire.
actual open flames.
Right. So I'm going to put these away.
This seems to be the view and the theme of Horsetooth Reservoir.
Okay, stop it.
All right, look at the energy level here.
What's that?
Nothing. Keep doing what you're doing in there.
All right.
What's going on in there?
Nothing?
All right. Here's the energy level. 8:30 a.m. Friday morning, 19th of July. You can fast forward a little bit and you'll be able to see a higher energy level when he hits the water.
Starting up the Blackstone.
Gonna get the Blackstone going for some bacon and eggs, camping style. Nice thing about this Blackstone tailgate combo, just turn the gas on and it's lit. course, there were times in the Navy when I was lit too. Nothing like the smell and sound of bacon, especially camping. They say that, you know, you can have a smell and it reminds you of certain things. Stimulates senses. Sizzling bacon and the smell reminds me of camping as a kid. Of course, it wasn't on a Blackstone griddle. It was on a campfire or on a Coleman, one of the old Coleman stoves that my grandparents had. She's gonna put the bacon on.
Which way do you want it this time? Long ways or?
Either way. The bacon we brought with us, we put in the freezer. And one thing about this travel trailer 233S is it freezes. Probably won't be ready until next week. So Trish had to go to the little general store and buy some bacon. Luckily we're at a camp spot that has a little general store. So she got the thick cut because that's all they had. And we have to wait for our other bacon to thaw out maybe by Saturday.
It was also a little pricey. I think it was $8 for this pack. So
Lesson learned there.
Lesson learned.
Thaw your bacon.
But there's nothing like bacon cooked in the great outdoors on a camping trip. So
Didn't I just say that earlier, folks?
yeah, you have to have your bacon.
Have to have your bacon. But
It may have cost me, but I had to have it.
always make sure your meat is thawed. Good safety tip.
You want to eat tomorrow because the hamburgers are there.
Luckily for us, the little general store that we're referring to is right there. Wasn't like we had to pack in for a day and harness the team up and get the wagon. We were able to just walk across the road and go to the little general store, which is also a little general store that the neighborhood deer like to frequent. I mean, literally frequent. They go inside.
Congratulations, Trish! Please let us know if you can make the screening. I won tickets.
What?
You did? Yep. To Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. It's a new Quentin Tarantino movie, and it premieres on Tuesday evening.
Leonardo
You wanna
DiCaprio
go?
and Brad Pitt.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Let me see how many tickets. Oh, you won't be here. Leonardo and Brad Pitt. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
No phones at the table, please.
Cozy?
Oh.
I won on Cozy
Oh,
101.
we're gonna pack up and go.
It was Cozy 101. It wasn't even the mix. That's TJ's station. Oh, he does all of them. I don't know. Maybe he
Again, we should probably pack up and go because we don't miss anything. We've got the rest of our floaties. We got the Explorer Pro 200 that Trish just blew up. We have some little green doohickey, which I'm not really sure what that does. That was like our first one we had when we came to Horsetooth, and we just
Actually, the kids got this when they went to Lake Mac.
oh well, we just kind of sank in it.
Kind of adopted it.
But I'm gonna get the paddleboard and paddle the island out to the middle and drop anchor. And here's the second part of the family. Or what?
To get back to shore to paddle.
Either or?
Either or.
So you chose the or?
I chose the or.
All right.
All right, I'm coming out.
Somehow that doesn't even look comfortable.
I don't even know what I'm doing. You might, yeah, I was going to say, I found a really good way of getting out of this water. I found stairs, guys. So you'll be impressed. Actually, oops, well, Chris is going to get something here because he's just waiting. But I found stairs. There's one and there's one. Here's one and here's one. I found some stairs, y'all.
Pretty happy with yourself, aren't you?
I am.
What you making for dinner?
We're gonna have some chicken and salad and hot dogs.
A camper's delight.
And this is some garlic butter, and it's made by Chef Shammy, it looks like. It's with Parmesan cheese and basil. Got this at Sam's the other day, Sam's Club. You know how they have all those different testing stations all around the store? Well, this was unbelievable. They made grilled cheese sandwiches with this. It was awesome.
So we're gonna put that right on the Blackstone?
We're gonna put this on the Blackstone and then throw on our chicken and just start stirring around.
And we have some seasoning.
We will put some seasoning on here. Yep, a little bit of seasonal. Yep.
So that's tonight's, oh, you're gonna do the seasoning there.
Yeah.
So that's tonight's dinner.
This is tonight's dinner. This is our chicken that's all chopped up. The kids and the boys want hot dogs, so we're gonna, well, the big kids want hot dogs, so we're gonna do some of that too.
Let's get it on.
Let's do it. Do it to it.